Our journey in this inspiring portion of the United States was nearing the end. After having dinner at Mesa Grill and enjoying panoramic views of the formations, we started making our way back to the Element Hotel. Along the way, we noticed a beautifully constructed shopping center in Uptown near Sinagua Plaza. Unfortunately, many businesses were closed for the season, which is something to consider if you would like to visit during winter. One of our favorite stops in Uptown was Clear Creek Trading Company, featuring handcrafted works of art. An interesting fact is that this building was featured in the movie Karate Kid. Actor Pat Morita, played as Mr. Miyagi in the film, would often visit this shop and look for souvenirs for his family. Also, the bone hair pieces and beads that made up Captain Jack Sparrow's headband in Pirates of the Caribbean movies were purchased from this store. You must check out this shop if you are en route to Oak Creek Canyon. It is definitely worth the stop. Alright guys, we made our first stop here. We're just taking a look in the windows of some of these stores. This is a pottery store and a gem shop, I think. Native American traders. I'm gonna go down here to this one. You guys can see how nice this area is. Even in the rain. I love that fence too that runs along the middle. You see that beautiful formation back there? Isn't that nice? Our final day in Sedona was met with intermittent snowstorms. As a Pineapple Express system approached from the west, we decided to take a risk and visit Slide Rock State Park off of Highway 89A North to Flagstaff, within picturesque Oak Creek Canyon. I am definitely returning in the summertime because this canyon was very impressive. Alright guys, good morning. This is El Karloff back here yet again on our Arizona adventure. And we were going to start our day by visiting Slide Rock State Park over here. But as you can see, it's closed due to a severe winter storm coming through. Oh geez, I guess we're going to have to come back in the summer sometime. It's beautiful though in the snow. This is the Vista Huckabee Trail. Just a quick little roadside stop since we couldn't go to Slide Rock. This is really beautiful, man. It is. Oh my god, this is nice. these waterfalls here. How you doing, sir? This is nice. Oak Creek, guys. It is. Alright guys, we're gonna attempt this trail. It's called the Huckabee Trail. And this is gorgeous. That's beautiful. Yeah. Alright guys, so we attempted, as you saw in the beginning of this video, to enter Slide Rock State Park, but they're actually closed today because of the forecast, the Pineapple Express that's coming through from Hawaii. And yeah, so now we just explored this bridge over here in Oak Creek Canyon with a short little hike this morning. The weather started to clear up a little bit towards the end of the hike. And now we're going to go back, I think, towards Sedona. And I think today, since the weather's bad, we might just do some art galleries because there's a lot of local artists that have their own shops here showcasing their work. And then after that, we're going to probably see if the weather clears up and try to take the drone up into the air. So that'll be today's itinerary. After enjoying the views of Oak Creek Canyon, we traveled back through Sedona one last time. Exposure's International Gallery of Fine Art is just outside of Talakepaki and features incredible works by local artisans. We were not allowed to film at this location, but I highly recommend checking out this otherworldly gallery containing hundreds of paintings, sculptures, jewelry, and more. We were lucky enough to witness the majesty of the Red Rock formations during a snowstorm. After pulling off to the Bell Rock pathway, I took to the skies with my drone to capture some incredible aerial footage. Sit back and enjoy these views of Bell Rock as well as Courthouse Butte. Thank you all for tuning in to the last few travel videos from Sedona, a truly magical destination that I believe everyone should visit at least once in their lifetime. Although the weather did not cooperate with us during our time here, we made the best of it and hope to return in the near future to complete more iconic Red Rock hikes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all of the latest travel content from around the globe.